In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change background color on your Instagram stories. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. Then just swipe to the right to activate Instagram camera. And after that, if we hit right here at create, it will generate this gradient background and we can change its color by tapping right here, just like that. So that's how we can select one of these 6, maybe 7 backgrounds. Unfortunately, there is not as much color selection here, so let me show you another way how we can create colored background on our Instagram story. And the way is using this camera roll button. Once we open it up, we can choose any photo. It doesn't really matter what photo you will choose. I'm gonna choose that one. Now if we reduce its size, we can see that now different background gradient color has been set. It depends on our image. And now here we need to tap at these 3 dots and then select draw tool. Here we got, as you can see, more different colors we can choose from. Let's say I'm gonna use that one. And now to apply this color to your story, we need just to long press somewhere here, and it will fill all our story with this color. Also, it will remove the photo. However, we can easily add this photo or another photo again if we hit add done and then tap at stickers. Here we are looking for photo sticker, and then we can choose any photo from our camera roll, let's say that one. Then we can rotate it and move it around and place it wherever we want. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.